Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm box. I know there's been 100 different videos on this already. I still show my videos because I'm just the average person. I don't get any kind of PR from them. I don't get anything from them. They actually told me that basically that my channel is way too small for them to even think of me. So anyway, I put all my feelings aside when I do these videos. So I just got my box today, and I got variant number 7, which always says, I mean, here's the card. It always says it on the card right there in the corner. And as far as my understanding, there's like 20 variants this month. And it's been like that for quite a few months, but, you know, that's just something that we have to deal with. There's always going to be filler items. There's always going to be things that we didn't want to get. But, anyway, let's jump right into the box. So, of course, the first thing I got is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. You guys have seen this 100 times. Also, I did want to add in that my box's weight was like 0.8 something or 0.9017 or something like that, and then they just rounded it to 0.91. Here is what the item looks like. It's just a cleanser. It has a multicolored duochrome looking container just like the box. The Glam Glow is, the MSPR value is $28, and you know, I'll be glad to have it. It's nice when I don't have makeup wipes or whatever. I really want to scrub my skin off because I don't like cleaning my face with harsh cleansers and stuff, so this will be a nice one to use. I would have preferred the coconut moisturizer because I use a lot of moisturizers, but it's not a big deal because you'll see. So, this is why I say it's not a big deal. I was so excited to get this palette. If I didn't get this palette, I probably would have just totally discontinued BoxyCharm for me. Only because I have allergies to certain products because I have lupus, and I would have definitely have not subscribed to them anymore if they had given me the milk makeup that I'm allergic to. I'm also allergic to Wonder Beauty facial products, so like I try to give them all that information. I comment on their websites. I comment on their Instagram just to let them know. Not that I'm anyone important to them because I'm really not. But it's something that I feel that they should take into consideration is if you have allergies. So anyway, it's not what this video is about. It's not a random rant. So anyway, I got the Alamar Blush Trio. And I got it in medium tan, which is great. There is a, nice mirror on there. Sorry, I didn't mean to blind you. There are the 3 colors. There is a peachy type shade, a pinky type shade, and then a deeper, like, rosy hot pink together. Like a rose and a hot pink together. So, anyway, that's the 3 colors there. The MSRP value of the Alamar Blush Trio is $22, which, like I said, I'm so excited I got this, and this has made my whole box worth it. Anyway, on to the next item. I did get the Steve Laurent, I think it's a lip gloss. Here's the box right here, which is pretty. I'm not that into brands like this that I haven't tried, but then again, this is what the boxes are about. I don't wear a lot of glosses, but I do love my, what one was it? The Wet n Wild Cedar Later was the color. I wear that all the time, and that's what this kind of resembles. So, I'm going to try it all on in a second. But that's this resembles, so I guess I'm kind of, happier to get this than that weird lip gloss they gave me last time that was comparable to Dollar Tree makeup. I'm sorry, and the Steve Laurent lipstick, or lip gloss, was worth $22, which I would never pay $22 for lip gloss, but some people will. So anyway, my next item is the Ciate London Cream Eye Luster Eyeshadow, and it says it's color shifting pigment, and I got it in the shade Cupid. So this is the one everybody's been getting basically. It is the purplish, pinky, golden shade. Let's see if I can get it to show up in my hand. I will use it in a second to really show you, but that's it right there. It's kind of very purple. I don't know if it's something I would ever buy on my own, but again, that's what these boxes are for, to experiment with products that you personally wouldn't have purchased. So the Ciate London cream eyeshadow is worth $22. And then my very last item is 2 items. I got the Bodyography brush duo, and that is worth $17. So it looks like a brow brush and a shader brush, which I don't ever mind getting brushes. I do like brushes. Who don't need an eyebrow brush? I know I'm looking for a good one, so maybe I can make my eyebrows a little bit more even. Yeah, so that is everything I got in my box. I am going to try out a few things for you. I probably won't use the brushes because, for one, I already drew on my eyebrows. And for two, I don't want to dirty them for the eye luster because, I mean, I don't know what that's going to be like to try and blend, so I'll use a brush that I really don't care about. I'm going to try the blush trio, and this does have like a film sticker over it. So for blush, make sure there's nothing in my brush. Alright, so I'm going to go into the more peachy shade, the first one right here, because that's something I tend to wear more than pinky shades, I guess. So it's a very pretty color. It's not shimmery. These all seem to be very matte, which, I mean, I wish they would have at least put one like shimmery type of blush in here, but I mean, woo, you can see the pigmentations there. I'll get a little closer. I mean, I know in person it looks very, very bright. If I come over here, you can see a little bit better, but my camera kind of goes nuts, so yeah. Probably be able to see this side better. So I have a little bit everywhere, basically. You'll be able to see it somewhere. So, I mean, I know you can see it on my face. It's very pretty. I like it. I do wish that they were a little bit more... They're very soft. Oh, you know what? The last two actually do have a tiny bit of like a satin look when they're swatched. Let me see. So, oh, you can see it on my fingers there. This is the peachy one I just used. There's a pinky one, and that's like the hot pink peach. But they do have like a little bit of a satin look to them on my fingers. Yeah, especially the last one. So there they are right there, here. You can see they have like a little bit of a satinness to them. So I guess they're not totally matte. Anyway, next item. My lips are very dry and I have a little bit of foundation still on them. So I'm going to put the Steve Laurent lip gloss on. It smells like a cupcake, but it's very thick and goopy, so it's going to be hard for me to actually keep this on. I don't know. I mean, I like the color. It's pretty, but I don't know if I'll ever really wear it. It doesn't feel sticky, but it reminds me of that clear lip gloss when we were kids that was like real thick and caked up on your lips that made you always constantly like rub them together and like you could always feel it's there. I mean, it is nice, and I'm pretty sure it'll stay a little bit longer because of that aspect of the lip gloss, but not 100% my favorite. But it's not bad, so... There's that. And for the Ciate eye luster, you know what I'm actually going to do? I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush real quick. And I'm going to go into this last shade right here and put it on in the crease of my eye because I feel like that will blend good with the Ciate liquid eyeshadow. And I don't wear a lot of hot pinks or purples or anything on my eyes, but on occasion it is nice to have a little bit of color. I want to kind of try to do a spotlight eye with this because I know a lot of people were saying it's not easy to work with. So I figured the easiest way to do it is just to put it in the center of my eyelid, and that's it. And then I'll go from there to figure out if it is easy for me to work with or not. So, let me see. Here's the doe foot on it. There it is right there. You can see it's all different colors. So, I mean, it's mostly purple, and when this light hits it the right way, it turns like a bronzy gold or something. So, let's see. Ooh, went up a little too high. Tap it out with my finger, see how it looks. Oh well, it went all the way across my eye, but there it is right there. It kind of looks white in my camera, I don't know why. Because the undertone is like a goldish undertone, but on my camera it just looks like a white. I don't know. Not something I would have personally chosen to buy. I honestly don't wear a lot of liquid eyeshadows. I don't care for them much. If I do get them, like I like the Stila, and there's a few drugstore ones I'll wear, but this is not one that I don't know if I'm going to like it. Especially, it might just be the color. I don't know. I kind of don't like the way the formula feels either, as of right now. It kind of feels like it's going to be one of them formulas that's going to like crease up on my eyelid really bad, but we'll see. So anyway, this was my boxycharm this month. My total was $111. That was the value of my box. There's nothing left in there. Ready to go. So that was it. And not the best box ever, but definitely not the worst I've ever received. Everything I've gotten this month is better than my dollar store stuff I've gotten for the past 3 months. So I'm okay with it this month. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you are all having a fabulous day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.